Hi everyone. So you can see this is an Ertiga which has come to auto rounders in Mumbai for sunroof installation. So we have installed a manual pop-up sunroof in this car which has to be operated manually. So this kind of sunroof is very reasonable. Also it comes with warranty from one of the best brand made in USA web store. You can call auto rounders on 7666 930 930 for more details.
So that's the happy customer going with sunroof installed. So in case if you want to get sunroof installed in your car, you can call us on 7666 930 930. Thank you guys.